Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to change your Apple ID email address right from your iPhone. Let's dive in. First, open the Settings app in your iPhone, and then here tap your name at the top of the screen to open the Apple ID settings. Next, select Sign In and Security. Here, you can manage your Apple ID and contact information and tap Edit next to the Apple ID. You can now change your Apple ID email address. You can also add an email or phone number here. These addresses can be used to sign in and reach you in iMessage, FaceTime, and other app services. And after entering your new email, check your inbox for a verification email from Apple. Open it and follow the instruction to confirm your new Apple ID email. And once verified, your Apple ID email will be updated across all your devices, and you may need to sign in again using the new email. And that's it. You've successfully updated an Apple ID email address. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.